When you're using a cassette toilet or a porta potty, you'll want to make sure it stays hygienic. You want to avoid nasty smells. You want to prevent excessive gas buildup in your cassette, and you want to ensure that the cassette is as easy as possible to empty. To help with this, Thetford has developed a range of toilet additives. These are available in the well-known AquaChem Blue in various scents, and for situations where the campsite isn't connected to the main sewage system, we've introduced AquaChem Green Concentrated. And we also offer a single-dose product, AquaChem Blue Sachets. First, you add 2 to 3 liters of fresh water to your cassette. Then, a dose of AquaChem using the handy measuring cap, and your toilet is ready for use. And when the tank is full, you empty it at a designated disposal point. Our concentrated bottles are supplied in recycled plastic. For dosing advice, check the label on the back of the bottle. For more information, please visit thetford.com.